Hi there, welcome to Orbital Adventures. In each video, we'll break down science's biggest mysteries into easy 2-minute stories that everyone can understand. Black holes, mysterious, invisible objects lurking in the universe. But what exactly are they? At its core, a black hole is a region in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. It forms when a massive star collapses at the end of its life. The boundary around a black hole is called the event horizon. Once something crosses this line, it's pulled in, unable to escape. But black holes aren't cosmic vacuum cleaners. They only pull in matter that gets too close. Inside a black hole, gravity crushes everything down into a single point called a singularity, where all the black hole's mass is concentrated. Black holes come in different sizes, from small stellar black holes to supermassive black holes, millions of times the mass of our sun, found at the center of galaxies like our Milky Way. Even though we can't see them directly, we know black holes exist by observing their effects, like stars orbiting something invisible or light being bent as it passes by. In 2019, we even got the first ever image of a black hole, capturing the shadow of a supermassive black hole in a distant galaxy. Black holes push the boundaries of our understanding of space, time, and gravity. They remind us that the universe is full of wonders still waiting to be explored. Black holes, where science meets the unknown. At Orbital Adventures, we're also creating fun kids' books that inspire learning geography through storytelling. Scan the QR code now to explore and get your copy. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-understand science videos, all in around 2 minutes.